Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Juan Sebastián Gómez. Today I will talk to you about the environmental problem in my country. In this, I see illegal mining pictures explain the problematic. Okay. Initially, companies that carry out illegal activities such as logging or illegal mining, the pictures, are most responsible for the environmental crisis that we currently live in Colombia. Since these illegal activities destroy fauna and flora of natural territories, as well as causing the extinction of animals and their ecosystems. In the former letter, I stated my disagreements about the lack of the control over the development of these activities, how it was necessary for the Ministry of Environment and Sustainable Development exercise control over these activities. By exposing this available solution is to give more employment to people in order to have the resources and people available to give an efficient control and to avoid to a greater extent the illegal practice of mining and logging that generate this problem, which is the responsibility of all of us. Alright, to contribute to this solution, we as a people and a government must fight corruption so that the money is used for what really affects us with society, so that we invest in our land and take care of it together. Alright, goodbye everybody, and thanks.